welcome back. So for this video, we're going to do a laser cutout of a superhero with their name etched onto the object. So we're going to start off by going onto Google and finding a silhouette of the superhero that we want to do a cutout of. Here's a silhouette of Batman. Here's one of Daredevil. Let's go ahead and do one of Daredevil. So I'm going to right click on this image here. I'm going to save the image as. It can be a PNG file, a JPEG. Go ahead and click save. I go over to this website right here, convertio.co. And out here, I'm going to go ahead and convert more files. Choose a file. I'm going to select what I just downloaded. I'm going to click this drop-down menu here, go to Vector, and select SVG. And go ahead and click Convert. So now we select Download. Notice we have an SVG file. So from here, we go to Corel Draw. I'm going to open up this new document. And notice my units are in inches, and my width is 32, my height is 18. This is the dimensions of my cutting board. I'm going to make sure this is in RGB, and I click OK. So in case you can't open up the Properties tab or you don't have it open, go ahead and click on Object and select Properties. Or you can use the shortcut right here with Alt-Enter. Once you click it, you should be able to use this to modify your drawing. So I'm going to select File, Import, and I'm selecting the item that I just downloaded. So my cutout will be about 4 inches in height, 4 inches wide and 6 inches in height. I'm going to zoom in. So here, I want my fill to be with no color. I'm going to select the outline. I'm going to select this drop-down menu. Actually, this one down here. Make sure it says hairline. Click this color. We're going to select red to be 255. Green is 0. Blue is 0. So this will give us a cutout for the Daredevil. And now I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click this. So right here, we're going to write out Daredevil's name. So Daredevil. I'm going to change the font type. Go with this one right here, Broadway. Whoops, need a highlight. And then I can do Broadway. All right. In this case, the lettering is too small, so I'm going to click on the font size. I'm going to select 60. Too large. So I'm going to reduce that down to 40. So in this situation, I want this to have no color, actually no fill. And I want my outline to be in hairline again, and the color will be in blue. That way we don't cut out the letters, we just etch on. And notice red is 0, green is 0, and blue is at 255. So I'm going to select this icon. I'm going to drag my letters over here. I'm going to reduce this size. So let's make our letters smaller. Value of 25. A little smaller, 20. I'm going to move this right there. I can also rotate this a little bit. And let's try that out. So now that we have all of this created, go ahead and select everything. Go to Objects, Group. And now we can move this all together. You're now ready to laser cut. So at this point, if your computer does not have the laser cutting software, you do need to download this file and email it to yourself. So click on File, Save, download it as a file type Corel Draw or CDR, and then send it to yourself. If you do have the laser cutting software, then proceed forward with this video. So from here, we can select this print feature. Make sure your printer is ULS 6.6 and go ahead and hit print. So if you're using a computer that does not have the ULS software, you're going to have to save this file and send it to yourself and go to the computer that has the ULS software that looks like this. All right, so Daredevil's on here. From here, we can duplicate, or we can just print out one Daredevil. go to Settings, go to Material Database. If we're cutting on wood, just go ahead and select Natural, scroll down, click Wood, go to Medium Wood, and select General Medium Woods. Make sure you input the thickness. Most of the boards we use will have a thickness of 0.2 inches. So go ahead and hit Apply. And if your laser cutter starts catching your material on fire, reduce the power, or if you're not using enough power, increase the power of your laser. Go ahead and click OK, but let's bring this back down and click OK. So from here, you can go ahead and start laser cutting. So try it out. Thanks.